What's up, family? It's your girl Tayshana Shanari, and I am back with another Vlogmas, day 22. And y'all, one of my niecey poos was born today. I'm so freaking excited, y'all. But regardless, so yeah, I am on my way to my coach, my track coach. Well, he's not technically my track coach anymore, but so you know, like once your coach, always your coach, like that. Okay, so my coach's house to try to repair his mother's locks. Apparently she has not been able to get any service done on her hair. She's an older woman, obviously, for a few months, and it's most likely due to COVID, so I understand why and how it got that way. But I am in no way, you guys, a professional. So I told him, because I love him and I love his mama, I'm gonna try, okay? And they said they're gonna pay me and stuff, but it's not even about that. It's the fact that I am not professional, okay? But yeah, you guys, if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Definitely stay rocking with us for the next few days to end Vlogmas. Oh, hello. And give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Now let's get this day started.
I'm gonna tell you like this. Whatever you're doing back there, when you said, I can't even answer that because I don't know which one of these you're going to do on that up there.
Fix that, twist that, baby. Tonight's the night. I'll let you know, baby. Tonight's the night we lose control, baby. Tonight I need that. Tonight believe that. Tonight will be the best you'd ever had. I don't wanna brag, I'll be best you'd ever had. I don't wanna brag, I'll be best you'd ever had. Hit you with the best stroke, freestyle with the breaststroke. Now we're blowing cigarette smoke, and now the best roll. So what we're gonna do now? Get around to now, work it out and then we'll cool down, cool down. Baby, tonight's the night. I'll let you know, baby. Tonight's the night we lose control, baby. Tonight believe that. Tonight I need that. Tonight will be the best you'd ever had. I don't wanna brag, I'll be the best you'd ever had. I don't wanna brag, but I'll be the best you'd ever had. Baby, tonight's the night. I'll let you know, baby. Tonight's the night we lose control, baby. Tonight I need that. Tonight
Okay, y'all, so I am back, and as y'all saw, I did pretty well. I handled that pretty well, so I'm actually surprised at myself. But yeah, I think the repair went really well. It was really nice talking to her. I think it's really nice talking to anybody who's like elderly. I just enjoy that kind of stuff. But yeah, I came back home. Josh is here doing his thing on cars. JJ, I got him to go to sleep because he was not having it and I was not having that. But yeah, I'm about to, I need to eat. That's definitely the next thing. Oh, well, we need to eat. So yeah, I'm about to, I don't even know, y'all, because at the same time, I don't feel like doing it, but I need to eat. And y'all know how that is. So yeah, let me see what I can do. Okay, y'all, so I'm terribly sorry. And I have to end this vlog off because I spent the rest of the day and I did not vlog it. So tomorrow will be better, you guys, I promise. But if you are new here, girl, hit that subscribe button right now. Help me get to my first 1K. Definitely give me a thumbs up and give me a comment down below, and I will catch y'all tomorrow. We about to end this Vlogmas off in a few days, y'all, okay? Yes.